Good afternoon, friends, and welcome to part 2 of the car cleaning. So in the first car cleaning, if you haven't watched it, go ahead and watch it. My car is a disaster. It's not as bad, I would say, because we did the front and the middle. Today we're going to do the back, and the third video will be the vacuuming, the deep cleaning, all the super satisfying stuff. The back is just a lot of crap that I've been putting in there, okay? So I'm at my house today. I did the last one in my sister's yard, and I was going to do the same thing, but I was like, a lot of this stuff is like groceries. I still have toilet paper and paper towels back there, and then I also have stuff that just needs to come in the house. I'm like, whatever, I'll just do it in the street, whatever. But that to say, sorry for the weird angles, just because privacy, I don't want to show you guys where I live and whatnot, so there might be some weird angles. I am going to try to do this a little bit expeditiously. It's really nice weather today, and then we've got really nice weather another day, so I'm trying to get the whole back done while I can. Right now I've got a little break in between appointments and things that I have scheduled, so I'm going to try to get it done as quick as I can, and then hopefully Sunday is when I can do the cleaning and all of that stuff. So that is why I'm trying to get it done quickly, because who knows how long this nice weather is going to stick around. As always, I have a donate bag, a trash bag, and then an Aldi's bag to come inside. So let's go. All right, so this is what we're working with. Hi Kylo, how are you? Yeah, it's pretty terrible and pretty full. All right, child, this is your backpack that has your shoes and stuff in it. This goes inside. This goes inside. Okay, that's all stuff from last time that needed to go inside anyway. This pillow needs to go inside. Oh my goodness. Okay, whoops. What is this? Where did this come from? Oh my god. Do you ever get like so annoyed with yourself about like how you let things get? How I'm feeling right about now. It's frustrating. But it's okay, I'm taking care of it now. So this will be to go inside. It's also extremely windy out here today. So I'm hoping to get all of this done. We'll see. This is a lot more than I anticipated. That's definitely bad. That's terrible. Why is this wet? Kelly, your little monster guy got wet. So this stuff was all sitting in the car. It's only been nice. I found my German pickles we were looking for. I think all of this should still be fine. The dressing's the only thing I'm worried about, but it's only been nice for like a day. It was frozen otherwise. So a lot of this is from our camping trip, actually. Like, that is our first aid kit, our camping wear. That stuff goes to the shop. So it's like, where do I put all this? Like, this is Kylo's tie out. I guess I can just leave that in here, but I'll organize it, right? Right, okay, let's keep going. Some stuff?
Yeah, it's wet by I don't know what.
Ew, what's that right there?
A potato.
That's a potato. Could you grab here. Here's a plastic bag. Ew.
It's so mushy.
There you go. Ew. I'm gonna go put it in the trash bag. Ew. So here was what was under the blankets that were in here. I thought that it was just ground, like just the regular ground. No, it's this. So these were supposed to be donated. So these are gonna go into the donate bag again. Trash, trash, trash. Can you grab another trash bag when you come down? The gray ones. This needs to get washed, so it needs to go. Oh no. Can I throw it? Okay, nope, that was terrible. This is, what is this? Oh, it's for the carpet cleaner. I should probably keep that. Oh, that's lighter fluid. Uh-oh, probably shouldn't keep that in here. This is Kelly's. I believe this is donate. I think it's too small for him. I'll have him try it on. Everything's like just damp back here. It's all real gross and real damp. Okay. This is staying in here. That fan is going to stay in here and this tarp is going to stay in here. So really all I have to do is get this stuff out and then look at all this. Oh, holy guacachole. Why do I have so much stuff in here? For this tarp, I think what I'll do once I get it cleaned out, I'll just put the tarp back here to protect the cloth. Obviously not going to do that right now because we have to clean it, but we're getting a good start. Blah, blah, blah. Right? Right. Progress, friends, progress. So I think I'm gonna put all the camping stuff back on this side. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's finish this first. These are all my sister and I's leashes. I need her to go through these actually, because I know I don't have, the majority of these are not mine. I think this is broken. Yeah, I don't think this guy works anymore. I have a tire that doesn't like to stay aired up. It's got like a issue with the rim or whatever. They tell me they fix it. They don't fix it. It's just annoying. But that's why I have 2 air compressors in here, because I have to take care of them all of the time. All this is trash. These boots are cute as heck. All right. Thought that was lighter fluid. That's just oil. I was like, girl, that's real dumb to keep lighter fluid in your car, but whatever. All right, friends, look at it. Look at it. And the only stuff that has to go in here is this camping stuff right here. And then this stuff will be going back in there just because it is laundry and it is donate. Before anybody yells at me, yes, I am putting stuff back in here on top of all of this junk. I don't have time today to do this. This will be for video number 3. Hi. So we have done an okay job. Like, there's the 2 middle seats. We've done an okay job of keeping it clean. There is a space right behind my butt where a lot of stuff gets shoved. So I will have to go through that in the 3rd video. I will make sure I have plenty of time to do all of it in the 3rd video, so that this isn't a 4-part series. It's getting a little bit excessive, but I am excited to get in there and scrub everything. I wish I could describe the scent to you. It smells like potatoes and dirt back here. So I'm gonna put some stuff back in here and then I'll explain to you guys what it is that I'm putting back in here as we go. Because like I said, some of the camping stuff is gonna stay in here because I can use that like all the time. Anyways, okay, enough talking. Get off your butt. It's nice to be able to sit back here though for a little bit. Okay, let's go. This wind is about to take all of my stuff. It's also extremely nice having the child. He has taken every single thing upstairs that has needed to go upstairs. That's phenomenal. Wait, is this brownie or laundry? This is laundry. Okay. Better, right? Much better. All right, so let's do a little bit of a walkthrough. The camping chairs will stay. That is something my sister and I need to go through. That is camping stuff. I will get an organizer to put that in. This has to go to the shop. Toilet paper, because you never know when you're gonna need it. Dog stays. Laundry, laundry, laundry. All of those are blankets. I'm leaving them in here because I will take them to the laundromat because I do not want to wreck the washing machine at the apartment with those. But Kelly took everything up. We have literally nothing else left to put in here. Okay, so let's go do the other side here. This is our donate bag. Like I said, we've done an okay job of keeping it clean. This is stuff Kelly started to pull out from the middle. We'll go through that the next time. Like I said, an okay job. That's my friend's bag. I have to give back to her, but like still trash on there. Like it's still not super clean, so. But now my living room looks like this. So I guess you win some, you lose some. Maybe I'll try to do this. The issue is I'm dog sitting. I would take care of this tonight, but I'm dog sitting and I'm going to be gone for the next 2 days. So this is just going to have to be the way it is for a little bit, which is fine. I mean, in all honesty, it's just stuff that needs to get put away and gone through. But yeah, look at my hair. Does it look like that the whole time, you guys? All right, well, that was an adventure in and of itself. All right, friends, I will see you for the deep cleaning and the cleaning of the car because my Lanta, that poor thing, needs it so stinking bad. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.